Hello students, welcome to all. Today's first question is pH value of a neutral solution is 0, 5, 7 or 14. For the neutral solution, pH is 7. Full form of pH is potential of hydrogen. Potential of hydrogen. If pH value is less than 7, then the solution will be acidic, and if pH value of the solution is greater than 7, then the solution will be a base. Next one, which vitamin deficiency causes night blindness? Vitamin B, C, D and A. Night blindness. Right option is vitamin A. If the mass of a body is doubled, its inertia will be. From the Newton's first law, we know the relation between inertia and mass, and the relation is proportional. If we double the mass, then inertia will also be double. So right answer is option C. Which of the following is not a property of acids? Turn blue litmus red. Uh, it is right. Sardine taste, it is also right. React with metals to produce hydrogen, it is also right. Turn red litmus blue, this one wrong. This one is the property of a base, so not correct. The option right answer is option D. Next one, which hormone regulates blood sugar level? Thyroxine, adrenaline, insulin or estrogen? The right answer is insulin. Insulin hormone is secreted from pancreas gland. Two hormones are secreted from pancreas. One is insulin and another one is glucagon. And estrogen is the female sex hormone. You have to remember these points. Next one, the major pollutant released from thermal power plants is carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide, ozone or nitrogen. That is sulfur dioxide, SO2. Next one, which part of the human eye controls the amount of light entering? Retina, cornea, iris or lens? Iris controls the amount of light entering into the human eye. And which type of lens is in human eye? That is convex lens. Next, which acid is present in ant sting? Acetic acid, formic acid, citric acid or lactic acid? Ant sting. The right answer is formic acid. Formic acid is the right answer. Acetic acid is known as vinegar, very important, vinegar. And lactic acid is present in curd. Citric acid is present in citrus fruit like orange, lemon. Which of the following quantities remains constant in uniform circular motion? Uniform circular motion. A particle is moving like this into the around this circle. Here direction is changing, acceleration is also changing, and velocity is also changing, because velocity and acceleration are vector quantities and speed is the scalar quantity. So speed does not depend on the direction, so speed is constant. The value of speed remains constant in uniform circular motion. Option B is the right answer. Next one, the time period of a simple pendulum depends on. Time period of a simple pendulum, you have to remember the formula T equals to 2 pi root over of L by G, where L is the effective length. So time period depends mainly on the length of the pendulum or effective length of the pendulum. The image formed by a plane mirror is plane mirror, that is virtual and erect. The phenomenon which explains why the sky appears blue is sky appears blue due to scattering of light. Next, the work done is zero when the angle between force and displacement is force and displacement. What will be the angle between force and displacement so that work done is zero? The formula of work done F d cos theta. So if W is 0, then cos theta must be 0 and cos 90 is 0. Cos 90 gives 0. So the right answer is option D. If the angle between force, let this one is force and this one is the displacement. If the angle between them is 90°, then there will be no work done. So right answer option D. Which wave does not require a material medium to propagate? Sound wave, water wave, light wave, or seismic wave? The right answer is light wave, because light wave is a transverse electromagnetic wave. So electromagnetic wave does not require any medium to propagate, but sound wave is an elastic wave, so it requires a media. Next one, electric power is given by, the formula of electric power is voltage into current. Another one, I square I R and V square by R. So all these three are the formula of electric power. So let's check the options. Option A is the right answer, V square by R. Voltage square by R. Here R stands for resistance, I stands for electric current, and V stands for potential difference or voltage difference. So right answer is V square by V square by R. So you have to remember these three formulas of power. That's all for today.